Good afternoon. I will give you a very brief introduction to the subject thermodynamics and the present course laws of thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is the branch of science that describes the basic laws and principles governing the processes of transfer and transformation of energy. The laws are formulated from observations in nature. The basic principles as corollaries of the laws are established through logical deductions following the laws. The science of thermodynamics provides also the relationship between thermodynamic properties of substances. This helps us in determining the changes in properties of systems or substances executing various physical processes. The classical thermodynamics is built up by four foundation pillars, or you can say in another way that the classical thermodynamics as a tabletop rests on four legs. These are four laws of thermodynamics, namely the zeroth law, first law, second law and third law. The zeroth law provides the concept of temperature. The first law puts a constraint of quantitative conservation of energy, while the second law imposes a directional constraint on any process occurring in nature, whether spontaneous or man-made. The third law points out the limitations on attainability of a state by any system executing any process under any condition. Thus, the science of thermodynamics helps us to assess the feasibility of a process under given conditions and its efficient performance in the perspective of quantitative conservation of energy and its dissipation with reference to a desired useful output. Such analysis of processes occurring in any engineering device or plant are of prime importance and of primary requirement from the viewpoint of design. This is known as thermodynamic design of engineering device or plant. Therefore, it is apparent that thermodynamics, rather the subject thermodynamics, plays the role of foundation pillars to all branches of engineering, science and technology, those involve transfer and transformation of energy. The present course will start with the basic terminologies and nomenclatures along with their physical concepts as the prerequisite in understanding the laws of thermodynamics. Then the laws and their corollaries will be discussed. The discussion will be based on physical concepts, mathematical expressions and illustrated examples on the application of the laws to different systems undergoing various processes under practical scenario. The course will be of total 10 hours duration and will consist of 20 modules of each half an hour duration. The course will definitely help the students to build up their physical concept and will also enable the students to get rid of any misleading concepts they may have from prior reading of the subject without adequate thoughts in understanding the basic laws and their applications. Thank you.